Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change phone number on Amazon. First of all, you can open the Amazon application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can now go to the profile icon at the bottom left corner of the screen that is next to your home. Tap on it, and after tapping on it you can now tap on account, and after this you can just simply scroll down here, scroll down, tap on login and security in the account settings section, and after the loading you can just simply see the third option, primary mobile number. Tap on add, and here you can just simply remove the first phone number and enter a new phone number, and now tap on continue to save the phone number. And it is a way you can add phone number on Amazon. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. This tutorial helped. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.